What is the significance of retrieval models in RAG systems? Anti-retrieval models in RAG systems are crucial for accessing and identifying relevant information from large data sets or document corpora. These models are responsible for searching the available data based on the input query and retrieving relevant documents. The retrieved documents then serve as the basis for the generative model to generate accurate and informative responses. The significance of retrieval models lies in their ability to provide access to external knowledge. This enhances the context awareness and accuracy of RAG systems. In other words, retrieval models help RAG systems to gather information from a vast amount of data, which is then used to generate responses. This ability to access external knowledge is what makes retrieval models so important in RAG systems. Moreover, retrieval models play a vital role in filtering out irrelevant information, which is essential for generating accurate responses. By retrieving only the most relevant documents, RAG systems can focus on generating responses that are more accurate and informative. This is particularly important in applications where accuracy and relevance are critical, such as in search engines, chatbots, and other AI-powered systems. In summary, the significance of retrieval models in RAG systems lies in their ability to provide access to external knowledge, filter out irrelevant information, and enhance the context awareness and accuracy of RAG systems.